If you've accidentally made a purchase on Fortnite, or someone else used your account to buy things, getting a refund is now a simpler task thanks to a recent FTC ruling against Epic Games. If you're eligible for a refund, which could include parents whose children made unauthorized purchases, Fortnite players charged V-Bucks for unwanted items, or players whose accounts were locked after disputing charges, you can wait for updates from the FTC or follow the standard refund process. To do so, open Fortnite, go to Settings, hit Support and Refunds, and click on the item you wish to return. You'll then need to click Use Return Ticket and confirm your request. Note that only certain items are eligible for refunds, and you can only return items purchased within the last month. If you encounter any issues, contact Epic Games customer service.